I'm going to land 2/3 the way up the mountain there, and that's where I'm going to be for the next couple days. Beautiful out here, just gorgeous out here.
Up on the ridge. This is the scenic view from my tent and plane today and tomorrow. You see that? It's a double rainbow. There's a couple dandies in there. I like that light. The one that has the lightest velvet on his rag. Folks, they're about 50 yards from me right now. No kidding. 50 yards because they're curious. Oh, I like that light colored one in the back there. Oh, that's a nice one. Yeah, they're 30 yards. I can probably take one with the bow. Yeah, I could take one with the bow right now. Oh, I like him.